Good morning, welcome back. Coming up on 10 minutes after 8 o'clock. It is a pleasure to have live guests back in the studio. Castle in the Clouds Executive Director Charles Clark in the house. Good morning and hello, fellow human being.
Good morning. It really is nice to have a face-to-face conversation.
Nice, and also you're open again.
We're open again. Yesterday was opening day. Off we go for another season at the Castle.
Right, and the Castle, of course, is in Moulton Borough, a beautiful historic property, an estate, and now it's opened up to people. You have various programs, and people can spend the day there. So let's just get to it. And what are some of the events that people are just ready to go on out and
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. So, last year with the pandemic, we had to cancel a whole bunch of things. So we're really excited. We've got a full slate of programs, more than 90 public offerings this year on the calendar. Some of the highlights, we're doing guided tours of our gardens and the landscape around the property. So as you mentioned, it's beautiful. It's up on a mountaintop overlooking the lake. We have 135 acres that we can explore and tell people about the history. So those are both going on and will happen regularly throughout the summer. So people can always make a plan to come and see it. And one of the things I'm most excited about is a new partnership that we've started with another nonprofit organization called Great Waters. And Great Waters is a musical performing arts organization, and they're going to be putting on a series of 7 concerts in the big field on the Castle property. We're going to have a huge tent, be inviting as many people as we can get to come up there, buy tickets, and it'll be just live music in a beautiful mountaintop setting. Really excited about getting people back on the property and enjoying everything that we have to offer.
Nice. And with Great Waters, what kind of music are we talking
So they do a little bit of everything. They've got some pop, they've got some what I would think it's called like an Americana section. I think actually one night is not a concert, but it's a comedy night, so there's a little bit of everything. For sure, something for everyone in those concerts.
And you also have some more, like, we'll just say, intimate type of things with a lot of local musicians, right?
That's right, absolutely, yeah. So our Carriage House restaurant, we're not serving lunch yet, still working on hiring the help we need for that, but we're full steam ahead on our music nights. It's one of the most popular events that we do every year, and it brings in local musicians. You get to sit on our terrace overlooking the lake and listen to live music, enjoy a delicious meal prepared by our executive chef. So it's a great evening. Tickets are on sale now on our website, and those sell out fast. Some nights are already booked, and they go quickly. So people should definitely pay a visit and buy some tickets.
So we have sort of some things, during the day and then in the evening, but also the stars are of interest at Castle in the Clouds as well.
That's right. Yep, we have a partnership with the New Hampshire Astronomical Society, and they do stargazing events. So the nice thing about being on top of a mountain in central New Hampshire is there's not a lot of light pollution. So you get some really great shots of the planets and stars, and the astronomers actually bring some really high-powered telescopes to look at some of the cool features of our universe. So.
Now, we've been saying the word mountain a lot for this, and of course we'd be remiss not to address hiking. And there are a number of trails that have nearly 30 miles of trails, and you don't have to do a 4,000-footer to have an adventure.
No, that's right. Yeah, there are a couple of really nice hikes to the mountain peaks there in the Ospey Mountains. So the Castle property is surrounded by 5,500 acres of conserved land. And the Lakes Region Conservation Trust maintains, as you say, about 30 miles of hiking trails. A few of the, the notable ones, Mount Shaw and Mount Roberts, are both kind of peaks that anyone who's a serious hiker in New Hampshire wants to bag at some point.
Right, and those are part of the Over the Hill Hikers 52 of the View.
That's right.
And I know this because I'm not over the hill, but having done that and gotten the patch, so that's pretty good. And also and also you can get a patch, I believe.
I think that's right.
If you redline the trails, so that's something to do for people who have some time on their hands. And also, you mentioned earlier you're looking for help, and it's no secret that employers need to have some employees.
Right.
So how can what sort of jobs are you
so we're looking for help in a lot of different areas. I mentioned our restaurant. We normally would like to serve lunch every day. Until we get some cooks and servers, we're not able to do that. So for sure, people with restaurant experience or who want to get restaurant experience, we're willing to train, that's for sure.
Sure.
And the nice thing for us, a lot of restaurants require you to work evenings. Other than those music nights I mentioned, it's all lunch service. So that's a nice perk for someone who wants to have their evenings free. We're also looking for maintenance help, housekeeping, keeping the grounds up, things like that. So any of those are good. And people can apply right on our website, castleintheclouds.org, and then just click on About, and they can go down to the help section there.
And anything else you'd like to tell people about?
I mean, I think the big thing is go to our website and check out everything we have to offer. There's really something for everyone at the castle. You know, if you want to come and see the historic house, you can do that. If you want to come and have a delicious meal, if you want to come and take a hike, you want to do one of our educational programs. There's really something for everyone, and it makes a great day trip for someone who's here in the White Mountains but wants to come and experience the Lakes region as well.
Nice. Well, Charles Clark, the Castle in the Clouds, thank you very much for stopping by. Good to see you again.
Yeah.
And good to see all of you out there, too. So don't forget, whether it's today or the whole summer, make a trip to the Castle in the Clouds. You'll enjoy yourself. We'll be back after this.